I just picked a couple of really simple chords for this just to make it easier for the beginners out there. So what you want to do is just set your index finger first fret of B, middle finger second fret of G, ring finger third fret of D, and that gives you an F major 7 chord. And you focus your strum from the D down through the high E. And the strum pattern I'm using is very simple. It's just down, down, up, up, down, up. One more time, a little slower. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Then you just take that shape you got and you slide it up 2 frets. So now you're playing a G with a high E at the top of the chord. So you're just, again, still focusing your strum from the D through the high E. Same strum pattern. Then you're going to go to a C chord. So you go slide back down the 2 frets. So your index finger's back on that first fret of the B. And then you could hop your middle finger up to the second fret of the D, ring finger third fret of the A. And you do the strum pattern twice. So that whole little piece. The second time through is pretty much the same, but we got to tag a little A minor chord at the end of it. So you're going to go. All right, so instead of doing double the strum pattern on the C, you just do the strum pattern once. You move your ring finger down right underneath your middle finger, second fret of the G, and do the strum pattern again. Then when you hear that little acoustic breakdown, you could do something like this. So what I'm doing there is just modifying the chords that I thought went well in the verses. So you just, instead of playing the major 7 shape, you have to bar the top 2 strings. So you bar across the first fret when you play that F chord, and then you slide that up to 3rd fret, and then you're going to slide it all the way up to 8th fret. So you're going. Second time through, you're going to go 1st fret, 3rd fret, 8th fret, then down to 5th fret. But now you got to bar across the top 3 strings, high E, B, and G. So index finger is barring across high E, B, and G in the 5th fret. Ring finger is set down on 7th fret of the D. So let's hear how that sounds. Can't really hear that last chord in there very much anyway, so you might just go to the high C there, And again, I think the same strum pattern works too. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Yeah, so I think it sticks pretty much to that strum pattern the whole time. So if this lesson was helpful for you, go ahead, hit the like and subscribe and the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video.